area of the MIT ecosystem obviously is very unique, especially when you talk about pharmaceuticals. This is becoming the center of the world really for developing a new drug, and now we want to make sure that this also become the center of the world for manufacturing this new pharmaceutical through our novel cutting-edge manufacturing technique. The connection with MIT for us has been vital, starting obviously with the MIT Technology Licensing Officer, with which we were able to actually license the technology and making continuous a reality. But we also benefit from many other initiatives that are here at MIT, like the MIT Andrew, the Venture Mentor Service, the MIT Operational Labs, and many others which maybe I haven't mentioned right now, but we try to make use of this ecosystem to the best as we can. And this, I think, is pretty unique of what we can find here at MIT on the pharmaceutical space. Obviously, look about the Silicon Valley on the other side of the coast. There's lots of similar ecosystem and infrastructure, but mostly based on IT, high tech. But regarding pharmaceutical, I think really we are in the best place in the world to make this business successful. There are, I would say, quite a few competing approaches. In fact, when you think about what continuous manufacturing means, this can mean actually several things, and now I'm going to explain what that means. Continuous manufacturing can mean a single reactor, a unit operation that runs continuously. Or some company use continuous manufacturing to refer a multiple step in the synthesis of an active ingredient. Some other company refer continuous manufacturing for the formulation aspect in continuous of a drug. So several companies are doing different things in terms of continuous manufacturing. We try to distinguish ourselves with this by defining our approach as integrated continuous manufacturing, meaning that we integrate chemical operation with formulation in one single solution. That's what really differentiates us to other approaches in continuous manufacturing. Use of novel process technology that allow end-to-end integration, where chemical operation runs together with formulation in one single solution and the full automated control. That's where we think all the benefits are coming from implementing continuous manufacturing. Just for your reference, more than $1 billion has been invested in the last 10 years by the major pharmaceutical company in this different continuous manufacturing initiative. So yes, there is competitive effort, but we have taken the longest approach, but the one that we will really materialize the real benefit, the full reap of continuous manufacturing. So in this end-to-end continuous process, which I describe as a pipe, you can imagine a series of steps within this. You start with continuous flow reactor, then the product of the reaction can go into a continuous separation process. Then the separation process creates your product that needs to be crystallized, so we have developed a continuous crystallization system. From the crystallization, then you go into continuous filtration and drying. And after the API, the active pharmaceutical ingredient, is dried, then this is transferred directly in your formulation process. And we have several techniques to produce the final dosage form. Can be through extrusion molding technique, can be through thin film tablets, through electrospinning, lots of new techniques that allow to produce final product with several different features which are very flexible and amenable to many pharmaceuticals. Well, it could be seen like this, but actually it's more trying to help the overall picture of seeing this process is approved. As I said before, having FDA approved will be important, so having more companies actually go into this direction is more important for the industry. So there was actually no any problem about seeing this as a competition, but the more we see continuous manufacturing trying to be implemented in the pharmaceutical industry, this is beneficial for everyone, including Novartis, ourselves, and other companies who are trying to move toward this technique. Novartis has a non-exclusive license to use all the technology that come out from MIT on a free license base. We as Continuous, we pay a license from MIT to actually use this technology. We have an exclusive deal with MIT only for our company. So this technology, if you like, is exclusive to Novartis and to Continuous Pharmaceutical.